Nonprofits today are addressing many of our world's most pressing challenges. But these efforts are often impacted by limited funding, outdated technology, and tight budgets. Microsoft Cloud for Nonprofit unlocks the power of your data through a set of intelligent and integrated cloud solutions that can improve how well you know your donors and supporters, deliver effective programming, and accelerate your mission outcomes. Fundraising is a common scenario at nonprofit organizations and is part of Microsoft Cloud for Nonprofit. In this video, you'll see how fundraising and engagement built for Dynamics 365 Sales as part of Microsoft Cloud for Nonprofit can help improve how well you know your donors and supporters. Let's look at the solution through the eyes of Alexia Taylor, the Director of Development for a nonprofit organization. Alexia starts her day with a dashboard view of her organization's major gift fundraising efforts. She can see recent gifts, gifts sorted by designation, and gifts sorted by solicitor. She can also see the status of open opportunities and a timeline of gifts received for the past several months. She selects a recent major gift to view this donor's profile. In one view, Alexia can see a summary of the donor's giving history, householding relationships, recurring giving, and overall lifetime value. Having easy access to donor information eliminates the work of creating static reports and querying and piecing data together from multiple systems. She drills down to take a closer look. Here, Alexia sees donations, pledges, and future payments. Pledge commitments and recurring payments are posted automatically on a set schedule, saving Alexia and her team valuable time. She notices that this major gift is designated for maternal health, which is good news since it's one of her organization's highest priorities. From the Maternal Health Designation dashboard, Alexia can track fundraising history and open opportunities. There's one opportunity in particular she'd like an update on, so she drills into that opportunity for a closer look. She sees that this opportunity is in the propose stage of the fundraising process, so she reaches out to Greg Winston, who is the major gift officer assigned to this opportunity, for a status update. Alexia uses Microsoft Teams to communicate, share files, and collaborate with her team in real time, wherever they're working. She starts a Teams chat with Greg, who says he's planning to meet with a donor in the morning, and that he'll provide Alexia with an update in time for her afternoon board meeting. Alexia returns to fundraising and engagement, where she can see her organization's overall fundraising performance. She expands the campaign performance view for a closer look. Using rich, interactive reporting capabilities, Alexia can get live updates on overall campaign performance. She can also drill down into individual campaigns to get detailed updates, including actual revenue versus target estimates. Alexia now has the campaign information she needs to share in tomorrow's board meeting. Let's switch to the point of view of Greg, the major gift officer, as he uses the fundraising and engagement solution to prepare for his upcoming donor meeting. Greg reviews Gabriella's constituent record to get a dashboard view of her donor activity. Without leaving fundraising and engagement, Greg can use the LinkedIn Sales Navigator to research self-reported information about Gabriella from her LinkedIn profile. He can use the Get Introduced feature to see what connections he and Gabriella share. And he can review recommended leads to find people with the most connection and influence, information he can use to put his outreach efforts into better context and to explore additional donor opportunities. Greg uses embedded in-mail messaging capabilities to send Gabriella a quick note confirming their upcoming meeting. While waiting to meet with Gabriella, Greg can continue his research using a Power App on his phone to access Dynamics 365 Customer Insights. Here, Greg can see relevant details about this donor. He also gets important information about Gabriella and a list of suggested touchpoints. The timeline view gives Greg a breakdown of Gabriella's donation history by type, as well as past engagement activities and communication touchpoints. The app even recommends AI-generated next best actions to help pinpoint the most effective activities to maximize Greg's fundraising efforts. Equipped with these insights, Greg is well prepared to meet with his donor and secure his next major gift, just in time for tomorrow's board meeting. Manage everything from recurring giving programs and gift processing to opportunities and events, campaign reporting, and more, with fundraising and engagement built for Dynamics 365 Sales, part of Microsoft Cloud for nonprofit. For more information, contact your Microsoft representative or visit our website.